How to make money on people per hour as an infographic designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile, where you're going to showcase your skills in order to attract clients or attract the visitors that are visiting this platform looking to hire someone to do their gigs or to do projects for them or jobs. So that's why we're going to create a profile in the platform to showcase our skills. So here I'm going to show you some profiles in the platform. So let's click on the search button in here, click on search freelancers. And here we're going to enter our skill, infographic designer, and click on the search button. And here click on all offers to see all of the freelancers that are doing this skill and all of our future competitors. So here we have 178 results, and we have here a lot of freelancers and a lot of profiles, and every price varies from one to another. $130, $140, $155, $100, $165, $80, $90, $30, $70, $40, $155. So the payments varies, or the amount of money that they're getting paid varies from one another. So let's go back to our first page to start creating our profile, and here in your top right you have the freelancer button. So click on it, and here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, and here you fill your usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password, and then log in. And as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you start with dropping a profile picture, then you proceed to add in your job title. So for example, award-winning web developer, or you can go with infographic designer. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So let's start with infographic. I entered it wrong. Let's go with infographic, then let's go with infographic designer, and here, so that's all what we have in here. Let's enter designer as well to see what do we have. Accessory designer, footwear, Google, substance, floral, underwear, Zara, Amazon, Kindle applications designer. So I think that's all what we have in this skills. Then we proceed to fill in the about you section. So here you describe yourself to buyers. So guys, in order to enter a decent description for your profile, what I like to do personally is go and check on my competitors' descriptions, see what are they doing differently than the others, see how their description varies from one to another, and find the qualified description to be my inspiration to be based on that description to create my own description. So here, let's go to the search, click on search freelancers, click on open link in new tab, in your window. And here I'm going to search for my competitors to spy on their description. Infographic designer, and here click on all offers. And here let's check the first one's description. She gets paid $155 and she made a lot of sales. As you can see, there are a lot of views, as you can see in here. That's pretty weird. More than 2,000 sales and more than 87,000 views. So let's check her description. So this is a very good description. It's short and brief. We are a small UK-based company specializing in graphic design and web development and content writing. We specialize in designing logos, infographics, emails, flyers, and social media designs, and writing for blogs, website content, and guest posts. We have years of experience in the field and are committed to deliver your high quality work in the least possible turnaround time. So this is a very good description. You can take it as your inspiration. As you can see how you get with this offer. Consider also this is some skills they are doing as well. And this is some offers. Search and compile text for your infographic. So here they are offering a lot of offers, and this is their feedback. As you can see, excellent work and communication, great stuff, good communications and ideas. Maria was fast to respond and agile with changes. So she has some good feedbacks. We can take her as our inspiration to build our own profile. And after you're done with your description, guys, then you proceed to enter in your location and the languages that you can speak. So here we can go with English, for example. English. Then you enter your hourly rate and the currency that you want to go with. Then you click on submit application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.